I'm a country music artist. I've been a professional singer for 4.5 years now. I want to say probably in 2005, 2006, I was diagnosed with stage 2 diabetes, and it's actually taken a catastrophic toll on my teeth, leaving surface nice, but the interior, the roots and so forth, rot. We were actually going to CMA Festival, and I had a show that was in Bowling Green, Kentucky. We got out there, and I had a reporter that was following me around quite a bit that day. I was missing a tooth right here, and I asked not to be filmed on the left side. The next morning, I was eating breakfast, and I actually saw my face in the newspaper with the missing tooth. So it kind of like depleted my whole process of my confidence on stage.
So Steve had reached a point in his dental situation that required his teeth to be removed because the damage had just crossed the threshold for our ability to repair them. Yet we had to find a way that we were going to be able to minimize the amount of downtime that Steve was going to have because of his career. We had to make sure that we knew exactly where the teeth were going to be in 3-dimension within his frame so that he can perform and carry out his career as he did before. It really required us to think out of the box to achieve that.
My role is to really take the appliance that Roe has made to maximize his aesthetics and function, and it's my job to set that into his head on the implants. Because of the technology that we have now, you can come into the office with all your problem teeth and leave with something that looks aesthetic and is functional.
This line of work, you need your teeth, you need your smile. It's every part of who we are. I'm hoping that this procedure will rebuild my confidence above and beyond what my expectations were.
Good morning.
Hello, sir.
How you doing?
How are you?
Yeah. Excellent. Good day for us.
Feel incredible.
Awesome.
So there's a lot of anticipation to get to surgery day. We've got our entire team with us.
You will get some fluid started and we'll get going, okay?
Once the surgery starts,
Good.
it's game time, and everyone is in position, doing their job, and it flows very nicely. So we were really pleased the way we were able to pass from phase to phase of the procedure, from the extractions to the implant placement, and then the finishing touches in the laboratory. I think his prognosis is excellent. Really happy the way his case went. That moment where he gets that mirror and gets an opportunity to see his new smile for the first time is really a special moment.
I feel absolutely wonderful. Ever since I had the surgery, it's changed my life tremendously. Under the staff and the guidance of Dr. Toback and his team, my healing was literally under a week. I think the biggest thing that surprised me the most was my smile was more vibrant. My face wasn't sunk in. I wasn't missing teeth. I was able to talk to people with more confidence.
When I first met Steve, I knew that his case was going to be rather interesting, but yet really challenging. Because of his career, it was going to be about the phonetics of his case. I can't wait to see him perform and how he's able to express himself on stage as a performer. It should be a really neat moment.
This surgery is everything I expected and more. 110%. I would recommend this to anybody that has the opportunity to have this surgery. This has just been an opportunity of a lifetime. And without getting emotional, it's just amazing.
Well, if it's yes,